Another exciting week is about to begin with a high number of financial releases and monetary policy events. We make a start with the US dollar, which was allowed to progress even higher. Overall, the market sentiment tends to remain uncertain, especially about the US economic outlook, creating some safe haven inflows for the US dollar. On the monetary front, the market's expectations seem to remain tilted to the hawkish side. On the other hand, the pound's retreat against the US dollar seems to be maintained for a fourth week in a row, and overall, the slowdown of UK's GDP growth rate for Q1 tended to intensify the market's worries for the economic outlook of the UK, exercising additional pressure on the pound. JPY seemed to enjoy some support from safe haven inflows, yet on the monetary policy level, BOJ's unwillingness to alter its ultra-loose monetary policy and dovish stance seemed to weigh on the yen. Nevertheless, the Japanese currency seems about to end the week in the greens against the US dollar, the euro and the pound. Euro seems to be the loser of the week as it weakened against the USD, the pound and the JPY, given that the war on Ukraine tends to weigh on the common currency, while ECB's intentions to hike rates in July may provide some prospect for euro traders. Overall, given the low number of high-impact financial releases from the euro area next week, we may see fundamentals taking the lead for the common currency. AUD restarted its downward motion this week. Market worries for a possible global economic slowdown tended to weigh on the AUD. China's lockdowns also could weigh on the AUD. RBA's hawkishness is to be further examined with the release of the bank's May meeting minutes on Tuesday. The CAD is about to end lower for a seventh week in a row, weaker against the US dollar. Oil and natural gas prices could play a key role for the CAD's direction, yet we must note that the loonie ignored the commodities volatility. On the other hand, CAD traders may keep their eyes fixed on the release of Canada's CPI rates. From all of us here at FX, best wishes for solid trading.